Passing score, get at least 23 points. To get 76.7%.
Studio.
One. To move forward through the tabs. A Control plus Tab. B Control plus Shift plus Tab. C Shift plus Tab. D none of these. Correct answer. Letter A. 2. William Shakespeare showed composure in front of his critics amidst countless derision. The underlined word means A. Agitation, B. Fear, C. Aplomb, C. Nervousness. Correct answer. Letter C. 3. Which scientist paved the way for modern exploration by advancing the theory that planets revolve around the sun? A. Ptolemy, B. Aristotle, C. Copernicus, D. Harvey. Correct answer. Letter C. 4. What is the units digits of the product of the 1000 smallest prime numbers? A. 0, B. 1, C. 2, D. 5. Correct answer. Letter A. 5. Find the largest prime divisor of 2 raised to 16 minus 1. A. 13, B. 17, C. 257, D. 65,535. Correct answer. Letter C. 6. An atom that does not react with another atom. A is inert, B is an ion, C is an isotope, D forms a polar bond with water. Correct answer. Letter A. 7. Down syndrome is a classic example of A. Deletion, B. Non-disjunction, C. XXY syndrome, D. Mosaic chromosomes. Correct answer. Letter B. 8. How many significant figures are there in 120.400? A. 3, B. 4, C. 5, D. 6. Correct answer. Letter D. 9. This was a prize-winning poem of Rizal when he was a student in UST. This poem proved that in India was not only equal, but also more superior than the Spaniards in poetry writing. A. To the Filipino youth. B. They ask me for verses. C. Him to Talisay. D. Kundaman. Correct answer. Letter A. 10. In this poem, Rizal noted the role of religion in attaining good education. A. Remembrance to my hometown. B. Your mother tongue. C. To education. D. Intimate alliance between religion and good education. Correct answer. Letter D. 11. Fossils are mostly to be found in blank. A. Sedimentary rocks, B. Igneous rocks, C. Metamorphic rocks, D. Plutonic rocks. Correct answer. Letter A. 12. The segmented worm that can be used to facilitate anticoagulation is the blank. A. Earthworm, B. Leech, C. Flatworm, D. Remora. Correct answer. Letter B. 13. Which warning label indicates the chemical property of the material being labeled? A. Fragile. B. Handle with care. C. Shake well. D. Flammable. Correct answer. Letter D. 14. A change in state from solid to gas without passing the liquid state is called A. Solidification. B. Evaporation. C. Condensation. B. Sublimation. Correct answer. Letter D. 15. The highest mountain in the continent of Africa is blank. A. Mount Everest. B. Mount Kilimanjaro. C. Mount Fuji. D. Mount Apu. Correct answer. Letter B. 16. The yellow race is also known as A. Caucasians. B. Mongoloids. C. Negroids. D. Malays. Correct answer. Letter B. 17. The function by which schools help children to participate effectively in larger society is called A. Socialization. B. Education. C. Enculturation. D. Acculturation. Correct answer. Letter A. 18. What phase of the moon is observed when it cannot be seen at all because it passes directly between the Earth and the Sun? A. New moon. B. First quarter. C. Full moon. D. Last quarter. Correct answer. Letter A. 19. Which of the following is an example of a chemical change? A. Melting of candle. B. Rusting of iron. C. Dissolving sugar. D. Boiling of water. Correct answer. Letter D. 20. Catalysts accomplish their work by reducing a reactions. A. Kinetic energy. B. Chemical energy. C. Potential energy. D. Activation energy. Correct answer. Letter D. 21. Newton's first law of motion states that blank. A. When a force acts on an object, its acceleration is in the same direction as the force. B. When a force is applied on an object, there is an equal force applied by the object in the opposite direction. C. An object will remain at rest or keep moving unless a force acts on it. D. Acceleration is calculated by dividing the force exerted on an object by the mass of the object. Correct answer. Letter C. 22. In whose presidency was the famous miracle rice produced? A. Ferdinand Marcos. B. Fidel Ramos. C. Joseph Estrada. D. Sergio Osmena. Correct answer. Letter A. 23. In economics, blank is the rise in the general level of prices of goods and services in an economy a period of time. A. Inflation. B. Mercantilism. C. Depression. D. Free trade. Correct answer. Letter A. 24. The chemical reaction that releases heat energy during the process is called A. Endothermic reaction. B. Exothermic reaction. C. Synthesis reaction. D. Decomposition. Correct answer. Letter D. 25. Which among the words below has the sh sound? A. Sober. B. Leisure. C. Shallow. D. Salient. Correct answer. Letter B. 26. This pertains to the pauses or rests in speech. A. Pitch. B. Juncture. C. Stress. D. Intonation. Correct answer. Letter B. 27. What is the smallest positive number that is a multiple of both 15 and 18? A. 90. B. 180. C. 75. D. 72. Correct answer. Letter A. 28. Simplify this. 2 raised to negative 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 0. A. 1. B. 2. C. 4. D. 0. Correct answer. Letter B. 29. This court shall have jurisdiction over civil and criminal case involving graft and corrupt practices and such offences committed by public officers and employees in relation to their offices as may be determined by law. A. Court of Appeals. B. Regional Trial Courts. C. Sandigan Bayan. D. Supreme Court. Correct answer. Letter C. 30. Do you realize that their talking may overstimulate their child's activities? Correct answer. Letter C. 'Thanks for watching. Please do support me to my content. Pa Soc-sci subscribe button.